What's up guys, this is Chase here with another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to reinstall Windows 10 without losing apps, data, or files. So if you're running into this scenario where you'd like to reinstall Windows from scratch, here's how you would traditionally do it. You would type reset this PC. Now, resetting this PC, it will allow you to choose some settings, but one of these may not be right for you. So choosing this option here where you wish to keep your files, we'll select this here. We'll try a local reinstall here, and I'll just show you what issues we're experiencing here. So we'll click next on additional settings. Now you may think that this is going to keep all your apps and data, but when we select view apps that will be removed, you'll see a massive list of all of the apps that will be removed. So we actually don't want to do this option because we'd like to keep all of the things that are downloaded on this computer. So I'm going to go ahead and click cancel, and we'll exit out of this. Now we're going to download something from the Microsoft website. We'll open up Chrome here and we'll type in Windows Media Creation Tool. Now you want to make sure that you're downloading this directly from Microsoft.com. This first option here is exactly what we need. So down here on the website, we'll see the Create Windows 10 Installation Media, and this is exactly what we need to keep our apps, data, and reinstall Windows clean. So we'll select the .exe file, select yes. We'll just go ahead and close out of Chrome here. We can accept the license agreement from Microsoft. And we'll go ahead and select upgrade this PC now. It's going to go ahead and download Windows 10 as a fresh install onto your computer. So we've let it run a little bit, and there's another license agreement which we must agree to. So let's go ahead and scroll down, make sure you read all this, and click accept. It's going to update. Okay, so here we have the final menu. Well, it says to install Windows 10 Home, and it asks if we would like to keep our personal files and apps, and this is what we're looking at here. So just to be sure, let's go ahead and select change what to keep. And we definitely want to keep all of our personal files and apps. So you have two other options here in case you change your mind, but let's go ahead and click next. All right, and this is the final step. So if we click install right here, it will install a fresh version of Windows 10. And that is how you reinstall Windows 10 without losing apps, data, or files.